Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make mala soup base. These are all the ingredients. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Ingredient A, we have 1 cinnamon stick, 2 Star Anise, 2 Black Cardamoms, 2 teaspoons of Cumin seeds, 5 White Cardamoms. Ingredient B, we have 160 grams of Dried Chilli, 20 grams of ginger, later we're going to slice it, and some cilantro leaf. Ingredient D, we have 1 teaspoon of Ma Jiao. Ingredient E, we have 20 grams of dried chilli and 4 bay leaves. Ingredient F, we have 160 grams of Dou Ban Jiang. Ingredient G, we have 20 grams of Parsley and 20 grams of ginger. We chop it. Ingredient H, we have 1 kg of butter. And lastly, ingredient I, we have 1 teaspoon of rock sugar. We soak all the ingredients A into water. And we soak for 20 minutes. We slice the ginger. The veggie behind me, the one. And then we just chop it like this size. Ingredient B, we soak the chili with hot water. We soak it for 30 minutes. Ingredient E also. The Ma Jiao, we put some water and we soak it. We blend the ingredient A. We add some water because this machine cannot blend dry. So if your house got the machine can blend dry, then you don't need add water. Chop the dry chili for ingredient B. So we put in the butter first, and then we fry this one. After that, we take it out. After you take it out, you put in the chili, and then you fry 5 to 10 minutes. And then you add this one. If your ingredient A you didn't blend, you can put together with the chili. After that, we just get ready all the ingredients. Put in the butter. Once the oil is hot, we put in the ingredients. We fry until the fragrance come out and change to brown color. We change to medium small fire. Now a little bit brown color already, you can take the cilantro and the ginger out already. We bit by bit put in the chili and we cook about 10 minutes like that. And now we put in these 3 ingredients. We cook it for 5 minutes. We drain out the water and lastly we put in the ma jiao and we cook about 2 minutes. Lastly we put in the rock sugar and we cook for about 2 minutes. Now it's done, you can off the fire. We put outside for 12 hours before we use. After it's cold, you can put it into a tray and keep it into the fridge. So if you want to use, you can take one out and then put it inside. After that, you can take a quarter cup and put it inside a soup, and then you can just make a steamboat. Now let's try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell. Bye bye.